Start her up, man. Oh, shit. Bro, what the fuck? Alright, yo, welcome to another video. What are we about to do today?
We're about to remove that golden sticker.
What is Why don't you want to keep it on there, dude?
I'm not golden anymore.
Got my heat gun that I got for like $20 something off Amazon.
Wagner. Trash.
So we're gonna
Hey, but
quickly take this off.
you got like a blade or anything?
A blade now.
We're gonna do that shit by hand?
Yeah. Careful, bro. That shit gets hot fast.
Bro.
You gotta put your hand there to know. To see, oh, it's still warming up. It's like cold air right now. Oh, it's hot now.
Dude, I work with heat guns on the daily now.
Oh shit, my bad.
That's what I was saying. I didn't want to use my hand because that shit's gonna burn your fucking fingers.
This is just like quick part of the video.
I don't think it's gonna be quick, dude.
What are we gonna do next? Oh yeah, so we're gonna hit this.
This is gonna be the long part.
Oh, this might be the long part.
The
Yeah,
quick
that's true.
part is gonna be the oil change. That shit's
Hit this shit real quick, and then gonna hit an oil change for his car, and then I might describe some of the problems with my car that I got fixed.
Well, that shit's straight burning.
Use nail polish. You have nail polish remover?
I'm not.
Yeah, use that.
I mean, I paint my nails here and there, time to time.
Dude, low key, I don't know if I told you, but
You paint your nails?
no. I used nail polish remover on the paint, bro.
Dude.
But nothing happened. So I'm good, dude.
I don't know about
I use a shitload too. But for the window, I wouldn't care. Alright. Half the sticker gone already. Shit is easy.
Bro, aren't you supposed to like, when you put like decals or something, just put it on the inside?
I think that's just a sticker though. I don't think that's a decal, is it?
Oh, true. But decals go on the inside, right?
I think so.
Who the fuck put a stick on the car?
I know, for real. Oil change 2.0.
This shit's hot in here.
Really? You were driving it?
Well, I just drove it home.
Oh.
I don't know, I gotta get the fucking stick for the track.
I feel like it's smaller than mine.
I really hope so. Oh, got it. Got it, baby. I'm scared. Please don't be hot. Please don't be hot. Oh, fuck, I missed again. I fucking missed.
Did it hit your face, bro?
And I hit my hand, but dude, this is all over the fucking floor.
It went the opposite direction, huh? That you thought it would be?
I thought I was gonna go like somewhat straight down. Dude,
Yeah.
this shit ain't gonna be enough.
For real?
I don't fucking think so.
New gasket. Wait, did you clean it off yet? First?
Yeah. We're not gonna do things wrong like we did on your car. You deceiving, bro.
Dude, you got a scuffed oil filter too. What's up with the people putting on wrong oil filters, dude?
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it's not Subaru. Or just a random one. But it's the right fitment though.
Yeah, proper
For the
fitment
tool.
at least.
What, was mine like small or
Your
big?
shit was small.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, you also gotta pour oil in here.
What? No, the old oil.
No, like a lot of people they put
Oh, they actually put oil in it?
initially.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but we don't because ours is upside down. Like on my camera, you would do it.
Yeah. We used all of the oil, huh? Are you gonna use all the oil or no?
No.
Fuck you, dude.
I'm telling you, I'm doing it proper this time.
Dude, come on, man. What are these called? Control arms? Oh no, not my bad.
Are you recording?
Yeah. What are they calling? People get like different ones.
They're just like
what are they for?
they're kind of like sway bars. They might be.
Yeah, sway bars. Start her up, man. Oh, shit. Bro, what the fuck?
What you mean?
Is that your car? It's not your car?
No, not my car. Well, when you park next to
Whoops.
That's what happens when you park in front of my house. Why did motherfucker want to shut off his alarm?
A1 content, dude.
Oh, there we go.
So scared driving fast around here, dude. All the
I think
bumps.
I'm good, bro. Just chill. Dude, this shit's annoying. All those stop signs, bumps,
Yeah.
dips. It triggers me.
Yeah, it
So
triggers
I wanna
me
drive
too.
fast.
Is it all like that throughout most of this neighborhood?
Throughout this neighborhood,
Quick little oil change and sticker removal.
yeah. Next.
Where's the
video,
mods at, dude?
Next video, coilovers
Coilovers?
on the black FRS. Set it
Oh.
here first. You're on the spot now, bro.
I just bought